Hi guys, my name is Kevin Chimoya, and in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to install your WordPress for you to build your website for your client in this digital marketing skill. You understand? Remember I told you I'm going to be teaching you how to build websites, and we're also going to learn how to build websites. So in this particular section, I'm going to be teaching you a little bit of server management and how you can install WordPress in your server or your purchased domain name and hosting. So thank you as you participate in this section. Thanks.
So hi guys, welcome to this digital marketing course again. So in this particular section, I'm going to be teaching you how to install WordPress. So first of all, what is a WordPress? WordPress is a framework or a software that helps you to build websites. You understand? So WordPress is a content management system that helps you to build a website with a drag and drop process. So WordPress helps you to eradicate coding processes in building websites. So with WordPress, you don't have to code, except maybe you want to code. You can also code in WordPress, but you can apparently do everything that I want to do without writing any single line of code in WordPress. Now, this is our cPanel. So sorry I didn't show you how to log into cPanel. So if you want to log into cPanel of any website, you type that website slash cPanel. So something like this. How did I log into this my cPanel? Remember, when you purchase a domain name and hosting, let me just show you. So if I say Vista tech.com/cPanel. So if I click on this like this, vistatech.com/cPanel, so it's definitely going to bring me here. Do you understand? So it's definitely going to bring me to this interface. So now, how do you get this your username and password? How you get this your username and password is that when you purchase a domain name and hosting, which I've shown you in my previous video on how to purchase a domain name and hosting, the hosting company or the hosting provider will definitely send you this username and password in your email. So it's as very simple as that. So now if I click on login, it's going to take me to my cPanel. So this is the engine of my website. This is actually where I do my stuffs in my website. Do you understand? Now, what I quickly want to show you here is that if you log in here now, you are going to see a lot of icon, a lot of section, a whole lot of things here. Now, I'm not going to be taking you through on everything inside this cPanel because that is not what we are actually here for. I have a particular course called server management that will teach you how to manage this cPanel. So this cPanel, another name for this cPanel is server. So for you to know how to manage this server, you can take my server management course. So you actually learn how to utilize all these stuffs here. Now the only one I'm going to be showing you here is called this toolbar here. The only one I want to show you here is what we call Softaclos app installer. So if you check this Softaclos app installer, many of you use Android phone or Apple phone. It's either you're using Android phone or you're using Apple phone. So now, if you're using Android phone, that is what we call Play Store. That is where you go and download most of your app. So if you're using Apple phone, there's what we call App Store. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, App Store or Apple Store, where you go and download your Apple, your iOS apps for your Apple phone. Now, this Softaclos app installer serves as what? As your Google Play Store or your App Store for Apple. Now, what does this do? This helps you to install other CMS softwares what do I mean by CMS? CMS is content management system. So all the content management system, this Softaclos app installer will help you to install it in your system. So when I talk about content management system, I talk about all those softwares that you can use to build websites without writing code. Now let's click on Softaclos app installer. So if we click on this Softaclos app installer, it's going to pop a whole lot of CMS softwares for us. But remember, what are we looking for? We're actually looking for WordPress. So now if you come here, you can see a whole lot of CMS platforms here. So as you can see, we have WordPress, which is the one we are looking for. We have Joomla, we have Card, we have PHP, we have SMF, we have WHMCS. This one is for web hosting system. Now web hosting website. Now we also have Open Real Estate. This one is used to build real estate websites. We have MyBB, we have PH7 Builder. So a whole lot of them. We have Laravel here. You can install Laravel in your system. We have Concrete CMS. You have Pirigo. A whole lot of them are listed here. So, but the one we have interest in is WordPress. So that is the most popular one, and that is the one I know how to use. So I cannot teach you how to use Joomla and Card because I don't know how to use them. So the WordPress is one of the best, and that is the one we are going for. So for you to install WordPress, now you click on install. You click on install WordPress. So if you click on install WordPress, first of all, you check whether this is in HTTPS. Make sure this is showing HTTPS, not HTTP. You understand? This is what you need is HTTPS. Now, guys, remember this is bistatech.com, and I already have website in this bistatech.com. So I already have website in this bistatech.com. So the next thing we are going to do is that I will not be installing it. In your own case, if you purchase a new domain and hosting, just go straight and continue with your installation. But somebody like me, I don't want to install it in my main domain, so I will install it in my directory domain. So this is my directory domain. I'm actually going to come here and put something like because we want to build landing page, so I'll put something like landing page. So what do I want to do? What I want to do is that I want to build this website in a directory that is bistatech.com/landing page. Do you understand? So now once I've put this thing like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down. You understand? If I scroll down here, then I will now come here and put my admin password. So I can say my admin should be capital letter A, admin dash, okay, let me say admin at 2025. So let me use this as my admin password. Let me just cut it. So my admin username should be admin first, admin, then my admin password, let me put this in here as my password, admin at 2025. Now if this password is not strong, let me just put dash 11. So let me just copy this as our admin dashboard, admin password. So if I copy this is our admin email. So the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and click on install. So if I click on install, this installation is probably going to install as fast as we can, and awesome. So this installation went as fast as it could. So now see our main website here is bistatech.com/landing page. So let me just open this in a new tab. Then this is our admin. So our admin is bistatech.com wp-admin. So this wp is WordPress-admin. So this is our admin dashboard. So if I want to build anything, I'll be building from this admin. So but if I want to view what I'm building, I'll view it from this front end. So let me just open this from in a new browser. So from here, this is our main website. As you can see, it's very ugly, but when we are done, we are going to get a nice interface from here. So this is our admin is still loading. Let's wait for it to load. So now guys, this is our WordPress admin dashboard, and let me just close this thing. Alright, so this is our WordPress admin dashboard, and in a situation whereby you cannot actually log in by opening this in a browser, what you should do is you come and copy your website link. So sorry for that guys, my network was very bad. So now let's open a new browser. So once we put this our web page here, which is visitortech.com/landing page, then another thing we are going to do is to say /wp-admin/wp-admin. So this is how to locate your WordPress admin. So we click on enter. So once you click on enter, it's actually going to bring this interface for you. So this is where you'll be applying your admin username and password. So remember, our admin username is admin, then our password, this is my password here. So this is where I pasted my password. Remember, we use this as password. So now you come here, you put this as your admin password. So if I log in now, it should automatically log me to my WordPress admin. So in case maybe you open this from here and maybe you came back the following day and it has automatically logged you out from the WordPress admin backend. So this is actually how you can log in again. So let's just wait for it to log me in. My network is very slow, so it has automatically logged me in to my WordPress admin backend. Now this is where we are going to be doing the works of building the landing page. Do you understand? So I've told you, landing page is not, you are not going to be learning how to build all the website. You are just going to learn how to build one page. That is, one page is just a landing page. So a landing page is always one page, except if you want to redirect it to another page. So I just want to teach you how to build a simple landing page for you to use and rake sales online, for you to use and attract customers. You understand? For you to use and convince customers to buy your product when running ad. So you can actually run ad from Google and send it to your landing page. So when you generate lead from Google, you send it to your landing page and convert them to your customers or your clients. Or when you run ad from Facebook, you can send it to your landing page and convert them. Your landing page will help and convert them to your clients or to your customers. Or when you run ad from any advertisement platform, any website, any blog at all, once they reach the ad will help and generate lead from the website. That generating lead means getting audience for you. Generate lead and send it to your landing page, and your landing page will be able to convert it to whatever you want them to do. Do you understand? So now, thank you guys for participating in this tutorial. I remember my humble self, Kevin Chimaya. See you in my next tutorial where I'll be teaching you how to do graphics with Canva, or where I'll be teaching you how we can start building our web landing pages. So now, thank you guys. See you in the other side of success.